Well, hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will unbox what you see on the title, which is this portable, handheld, wireless, chargeable UV lamp from Amazon. And also I have a bunny that is like touching my feet, so... Okay, so I purchased this lamp from Amazon PL, but you can purchase from exactly the same one, Amazon PL or Amazon.com, which is, yes, oh my god, I don't know, there's something stick there. Oh, she's totally stick on the box, that's why. Okay, so here how the box look like. So if you hear my bunny running around, just sorry for that, but it is what it is. Okay, so that's how she look like. Ooh. Okay. Wow, she's pretty nice. So that's how she look like. And we have 5 LEDs. Which I actually choose these, there were other lamps obviously of that kind, but I choose this one because she has 4 LEDs and I felt like 4 LEDs, 5 LEDs, sorry, are going to maybe dry better or faster, whatever, just do their job basically of the lamp better than less LEDs. There's some other lamp set. We have our instruction in Chinese, unfortunately, so they're not gonna be very helpful, but... And we have also the charger that is with the USB. So now I have to find a USB something, which is probably the one of my phone, the one of my phone, and... Oh, because I guess she's completely off. Oh, she's not off, guys. Actually, she's not off. She have a little bit of charging. So, okay, so here we have like 60 second or 90 second. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what we have here. So we have like 2 timing. And, okay, when you turn it... Oh, that's so cool. So this is the 60. And you can actually stop it. And here you have a 90 second. Oh, that's so dope. Okay, wow. So you can basically charge it here with your USB charger, and I don't know, should we try it if she's actually working, because that is what is important, I feel like. So you can purchase this lamp on Amazon. I purchased it on Amazon PL, but you can purchase it on Amazon.com. I know that I made the mistake with the clavier wipe nails, saying that actually you can find it on Amazon.com and you couldn't find it. I don't know. That's my mistake. I'm so sorry for that. I was sure that they were actually on Amazon.com and actually they were not. So apologize for that little accident, let's say, but... Okay, so let's start with the base, because I wanna see if everything dry actually. So, and I want my color to be on the base. Oh, okay, so you have to keep it like pushed longer, and then you give it there. And then you give it the last push, because the instruction, let's say that the instructions will not help you at all. So I actually touch it. Oops. And our base is perfectly dry. She's dry. She's totally dry. Okay, so let's pick now a color, a difficult one, like a dark one. You know, I think the best things you can do, try with a white and with a dark color, like, you know, white and black, which are like the harder, or something with very, very dark pigments, so you can see if your lamp actually is working. Usually the black and the whites are really, really, let's say, hard to dry. I think harsh color. Let's go. And the first layer actually dried beautifully, actually dried better with this lamp than the one that actually I'm using it. But let's do a second layer because I feel like it's important. Also, sorry a little bit for the noise, but I didn't attach my microphone today because I will have very short time to edit in this video, so I was trying to make it faster, recordable and editable possible, so just live with that. But everything is against me. I feel like I not have my microphone and there are like 20,000 noises around me extra than usual, so oh my gosh, I don't know, my luck. I don't own a dog, by the way. These are not my dogs, and they're like all together just decided to get nuts now at that very moment, which is like, yes, so they're just talking to each other. That's just awesome. Anyways, let's try the second layer. You see, this color is like very, very dark. I don't know about my lightning, guys, but okay. So again, you have to push it a little hard, okay, for a few seconds to turn it in on, and then when it's in on, you just push just a little bit the time that you basically wanna use it for dry. I think actually this is so cool. Ouch! You can actually put it like that. I think something like that is a great tool for a nail stylist if you have clients, because it will fast up. That's what I imagine probably your job a lot with something like that. You know, like when you're like doing something, like for example artwork, and she just supposed to go in the lamp like multiple times, which is it's annoying. So you just dry it like few seconds there. She not gonna move her hand. I think it's actually great. Oh, totally dry it. Oh my god, actually it's amazingly dried. Now top coat. Hello top coat. Hello, top coat, where the Hello Kitten are you? And my top coat as well is completely dry. Yeah, everything is super dry. Let's just do very quickly because I don't want to like stay here 20,000 hours. Let's just take a builder base, like a hybrid builder base gel, and build really quickly a layer up and see how that will dry. Okay, so I basically create like an overlay, like a buildable overlay on for example, like will be like on natural nails, which is like a little more products. So we'll see how that will goes. And she is totally dry. Absolutely dry. Yes, I had my suspect, okay? So I just want to make sure that the lamp is doing her job. And I don't see why not she shouldn't dry like regular gel or eventually acrygel. You want me to try acrygel as well? Let's do the acrygel as well. So let's just quickly see if can dry also acrygel. Okay, definitely not my best acrygel situation application, but that's not what does matter in this case. It's just that I wanted to see if she will dry it. And she's warming up again, and she is dry, guys. So it passed the test also with the acrygel. Okay, so it said that it will charge for 3 hours, and after 3 hours of charging you will have 5 hours and half, I guess, 5.5 hours, because I don't know. Anyways, you will have 5.5 hours to 5 hours and 5 minutes, I guess, I'm not sure. Anyways, that's 5 hours, let's say, of using of this actually lamp, which is actually great. I mean, I guess you can totally do a set with that, even if you are, you know, taking forever because you're a beginner, or even if you're not a beginner but you actually want to dedicate a lot of time and you're a very patient client, which clients are so annoying sometimes. So anyways, let's try to see if I plug it in to my computer, because you can charge it in everything basically that has like a USB port, also on a power bank, so actually it's pretty cool. And on the computer you can charge it everywhere. So yeah, okay, so the only thing that I see when she's charging, she just showing me a red dot there, red light there. So maybe I can guess that when she will charge it will turn in a green, or most likely in a blue things. And I'm pretty sure she's not completely charged now. Like, I don't know, because the instructions unfortunately are unusable for us, but usually when it's red something, you should, like, you know, let it charge. So yeah, everything is working actually beautifully, and I am happy, very happy with my purchase. So I spend in zloty 80 zloty, and in euro is pretty much like 16 euro, in dollars pretty much 15-16 dollars. It depends of how the money change, the currency change. So that's a really cheap and affordable things actually if you are out of Poland. If you're in Poland, it can be a little bit more than a cheap lamp, like, and I mean a lamp like that. So yeah, I really like it, and this video obviously is absolutely non-sponsored from anything. Link for this product, it will be in the description below, which is an affiliate link. And yeah, what else to say here? I'm actually looking forward to use this lamp a lot. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I'm sorry that I didn't upload right away another nails video. I'm working on it. I was a little sick, so I just give priority to what was basically faster to editing for me. And actually I really have like some unboxing to do, so that's why I wanted to do that. And yeah, so here you are. Give to this video a like if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet and you like my content, write me something in the comment down below if it's your pleasure, and thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you next one. Bye!